On the night of December the 10th, CSX Q500 was pushed over by a tornado at Barnsley, Kentucky, between Earlington, Kentucky and Mortons Gap, Kentucky. The tornado, which tore across Highway 41, derailed about 28 cars on the train, devastated the community of Barnsley, and cleanup is still in progress on the Henderson Subdivision. This is from the drone, and there is no audio, so that's the reason I'm doing the voiceover here on this particular video. Here we're looking at the North 41 overpass at Barnsley, Kentucky. Off to the left is the Barnsley landfill. Further down the track, you can see the engines as they are setting where they stopped at. This is the entrance to the landfill, and this is the path the tornado took as it tore through the community. Now we're swinging around to look towards the south. As I said, 28 cars were derailed. The crew of the train was fine, though. We ask for prayers for the rest of the community, though. Have a blessed day, everyone.